Hi, this is Ayan Sengupta, your favorite search and match specialist and also a global HR specialist. Today I am sharing you one of my another project searching of PHP Laravel developer. It's for a POC management company. They are working on the POC management, which it's very important for managing the data of the company. Failing of the POC is even more fatal and very unhealthy for a company to generate business, generate revenue. So it's an US based company having their development center in India. They are looking for PHP Laravel developers with 2 to 4 years of experience and more than 5 years of experience. They are looking for mid to senior level or mid-level PHP developers with the Laravel framework, current Laravel framework version 8 or like that, and PHP Laravel framework with the team manager. It's very interesting searching. We have used the database which is very well known in India, and we tried to find out several types of resumes in this connection. Before going to that discussion, let me share you the must requirement which has been shared by our client company. PHP development minimum 2 to 4 years for the mid-level candidates and minimum 4 to 8 years or 10 years for senior level of candidate or team managers. Laravel framework must have the Laravel framework experience of 2 years for the mid-level candidates, and for senior level or manager level candidates at least 4 years. Should have the knowledge of API development, container management system, AWS, GitHub, versioning control system. Salary is negotiable. Should have the good knowledge of English, as this is a US based company, and most importantly, the work type they are providing is full remote for everybody, for long range of work. Now coming to the challenges, it's critical but very well known fact to any HR in India that candidates are bluntly saying that they are open for the interviews, but in majority of the cases we have found out that they are actually hopping for the job. We need to find out who are exactly looking for a serious position. They are asking for their packages without having the knowledge of full architecture, full framework. Considering these points, I have searched a lot, make the screenings. It has been found out of these 10, maybe 2 or 3, sometimes maybe 1 candidate is aware of everything, and most importantly, it has been crystal clear that people do not have the sound knowledge of the framework in all aspects which the company is required. Even in the assignment level, they have failed to complete the technical assignment of a PHP Laravel framework. Most of the cases, I have shared almost 30 to 35 CVs minimum for the candidate required. Of these, 6 to 8 candidates finally got the chance in the technical round of interview. While re-scrutinizing the CVs, it has been found out that most of the people, most of the candidates, either they are job hoppers, either they are not complying the must requirements. Yet we have finally shared the CVs after major scrutiny, and finally 2 of them has been selected by the company and they are under recruitment procedure. After the technical assignment, after the technical interview, 2 of them has been selected by the company and they are undergoing the processes, and it's a great pleasure for me to have a sound knowledge and to experience such type of things. Yes, it's evident that not all the people are job hoppers, or not all the people are do have sound knowledge, but yes, 60% to 70% of the cases we have found out we have to be very careful. Being an HR, being a technical HR, we have to be very careful about the expertise and experience of the people. In CVs, it's very important. In CVs which the candidates are showcasing their experience and expertise is most of the time not at all satisfactory, or these are not complying with as per requirement or must conditions. In these cases, we have to be very careful to scrutinize all the things, and finally it's a pleasure to get the opportunity of the two peoples who has been selected and recruited by the company. It's an immense pleasure for us, immense pleasure for me to work with the management of the company and share the CVs, scrutinize it properly, screen it properly, understanding of the technical knowledge, understanding of the expertise. These challenging scenarios gives us a much more experience, because I am pinpointing some cases where it's challenging. First of all, being a senior, you have to do multiple projects at a time. You have to scrutinize it. It's the most important thing you have to do. Second, making a proper plan how to complete the project. Who will be the manpowers? How do you make the project to be completed within suitable time, within the time frame? Third, knowledge and understanding of the complete framework and requirement of the client. Fourth, familiarity with the server, API, versioning control system, AWS, like all these things, container management systems, like all these things. Positive attitude. It's evident that we are getting challenges in every steps. We have to comply with this, we have to find out suitable solutions, and we have to share our level best effort to complete the task within time. We know the PHP development in Laravel framework is quite different that of any other framework in PHP. So backend development with Python, Ruby on Rails, Java, these are emerging. Of these, Laravel framework is quite object oriented structure, and it's not that the people are not here in Laravel framework. Yes, we are able to search the peoples who are in Laravel, innumerable peoples, but we need to find out who are the most suitable ones. So it's a very challenging factor for us to find out that type of thing. So let me conclude here. Right now it's very challenging for me. Let me conclude here today. If you like my video, please subscribe my channel, and thank you very much for reaching out to me. Wherever you do require, you please do share me a mail. I will be with you shortly. Thank you very much for your time.